Hi everyone, I just wanted to go through this week's senior seminar assignment. So we've been talking about credit cards and loans. Today we're going to be, or this week we're going to be talking about what credit is, why it's important, and how credit scores work. There's a 2-minute video for you to watch that gives a really good summary of credit history and credit scores. And just take a couple of notes on what you heard that was important. Then you're going to scan this article about the benefits of having a good credit score and think about for yourself what the most important reason to care about credit score would be. This graphic shows you the range of credit scores. So it can range anywhere from 360, which is the poor side, to 850, which is excellent credit. Your credit score is determined by 5 factors, so you're going to be reading through those, and then there are 2 questions about which factor do you think you'd be strong in and which factor do you think you'd struggle in. Then when you're 18, you can access a free copy of your credit report, and so I wanted you guys to practice actually looking at and reading a credit report. So I'd like for you guys to start by reading through these 4 sections of a credit report. And then here's an actual example, and then some questions to look back on. And the very last question is more of an application question about the importance of reading a credit report. If you have any questions about this week's assignment, or if you'd like to schedule a one-on-one video chat or a phone call, my contact information is here. And I will also have the link to our live classes for Wednesday morning from 9 to 9:30 if you would like to stop in and get your questions answered. Thanks all.